Welcome to this fantastic opportunity for a gorgeous Clearwater Signature Home in Pleasant Valley. This new subdivision backs to Kelly Creek, a walking path, and it's conveniently located just minutes to Happy Valley. Next to Brookside Park, you'll find plenty of options for family fun or just relaxing and enjoying the outdoors. Quality built with elegance and affordability, these homes are thoughtfully designed. You'll find solid hardwood flooring, contemporary fireplaces, and light and bright interiors with an open concept floor plan. An on-staff designer will assist you with your custom selections of style and decor. From quartz to granite countertops, high-quality finishes, undermount sinks, and stainless appliances, you'll find it easy to entertain in style. From the dining nook, head out to your balcony and take in the views. You'll find 3- and 4-bedroom plans ranging from 1,800 to 2,000 square feet. The master suites feature luxurious baths with fine finishes. No detail is overlooked, from the wood-wrapped windows and large closets to the well-appointed guest baths. These newly built Clearwater Signature Homes also feature front landscaping and irrigation, as well as a high-efficiency gas furnace. The expansive Brookside Park is ready for your picnics and making memories with family and friends. A sought-after community with exceptional new homes. It's all here waiting for you to call home. For more information, please contact Cindy Co-Pfeifer or Kevin Pfeiffer at 503-515-7613.